We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Canon Pixma MG3620. We're going to show you how, if you've just gotten the printer or this is the first time you've ever had to change ink, where to locate the ink and how to change it. So it's a really simple process. You're going to reach right underneath or right above where the Canon logo is, and you'll feel a little handle. Just grab that little handle and you're going to pull forward and drop that door down. And we're going to wait for the ink to finalize in this little spot on the right side of the printer. Now once it comes to a stop, whichever color you have to replace, whether it be the color, which was the first one here on the left, and the black on the right, you're going to push down on this little gray lever until it clicks, and then you can just grab the ink cartridge and pull it straight out. And then once you have your new one, you're just going to slide it back in, raise that lever back up, and then you can close this front door here. The printer will take a few seconds to initialize and get that ink ready to use. Once it comes back to use, a ready state, the power light will stop blinking and it'll be good to go and back up your printer. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.